Unsay bisaya sa nothing at all ug unsaon ni siya paggamit?
Nothing at all. Woohoo, woohoo.
Hi, my name is Nay. This is Nay TV, Bisayang Englisero. Welcome back, y'all. If this is your first time, I want you to know I am so happy you stopped by on my channel. The goal of this channel is to help non-native English speakers, especially Bisaya, speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. Atong nakinaiyahan nga kung mag-translate tag English to Bisaya or Bisaya to English, atong i-translate ang mga phrases o sentences word for word. If we do that, pwede nato ma-miss ang entire context ana nga phrase or sentence. So dapat tanaw nato ang message o context sa usa ka phrase, dayon atong pangitan og closest version ana sa lain nga sinultian. In this case, Bisaya ug English. Ang tawag ana ka equivalent translation. Ang Bisaya sa nothing at all kay what good or what man. If you want to add more emphasis to it, we just have to add the word ra. Let's look at some example sentences para mas masabtan pagid nato ang nothing at all ug mahanas ta sa paggamit ani. Before I received my first paycheck, I had nothing at all. If we translate this word for word, it's going to sound like this. Sa wa pa ko kadawat sa una na akong bayad cheque, wa gid koy ako, wa gyud. Very unnatural and it almost doesn't make sense. Ang best equivalent translation ani sa Bisaya kay sa wa pa na ako nadawat akong unang sweldo, wa gid koy kwarta. Let's try this one. A classic line from a classic song. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Pinakamaayo nimo siya nasulti sa dihang wa gid kay gisulti. Very poetic. Unsa man kani sa Bisaya? Today I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. Tell me in the comment section below. Kung di pa gyapon ka sigurado unsay pasabot sa nothing at all ug unsaon ni siya paggamit, kung wa kay kwarta, wa pag hikay uyab, mao na. What? Sa sunod na pod. Thank you all.